Hey guys, so in last week's episode, we fabricated a Mills Garage Customs single exit exhaust for Nick's Q50 up here. And I had no idea how to turn the flame map on. But we've got Nick here today, and he knows how to turn it on. So for today's episode, he's gonna show us how to turn on the flame map. We're gonna have him hear his car for the first time. And then we're gonna shoot some 5-foot flames. To be honest, they might even be like 6 or 7 feet. But we will totally find out today on this episode. Woo! Woo! Fire! Fire!
She looks good. She looks hella good. Oh boy.
Ready?
I'm gonna need to get down low for this.
Sure.
3, 2, 1.
That is so awesome. It really is. Wow. Alright, so you need to show us how to turn this map on.
Alright. Okay, so UpRev and Ecutech, I believe, are the same.
Okay.
So my map is map 5. So literally, you use your cruise control toggle. You hold it down and you hit the cancel button 5 times. And then you'll see it jump 5 times here, indicating that you're in map 5, and then she's ready to go.
Oh, okay. It was bouncing, yeah?
Yeah, it bounces like 5 times.
Okay. Cool.
See some single exit flames?
Woo! just lit the whole night up. Yo!
Oh, this is so crazy. I'm so happy.
That is so wicked awesome. Woo! Ah! Yo! Woo! Yup, so that is a Q50 shooting fire. And if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. We clearly have a lot more coming up.
Oh, yes.
So stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed. Woo! Woo! Yo, that is insane.
That's crazy, dude. It's so much louder. It's so much louder. It's unbelievable.
Yeah,
You get that occasional one that you just feel in your
Your chest.
your insides. It's just
I want to see how it sounds driving now. That's gonna be crazy.
Did you flames while you're driving?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep, 100%.
Is that what to do it if you just like run up right here real quick?
Oh yeah, it might actually. It's a good idea. I didn't even think of that.
Oh, you want to do that?
It's just I'm gonna roll up. I'm gonna throw it in neutral, and then I'll rev it all the way up to like 7K and pop flames.
Okay.
A few drive-bys.
I like that. Let's do that. Who doesn't like that? I mean. It shoots so far.
I gotta see this.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
Can't wait till you see this episode, man.
Yeah, for real. It's gonna be crazy.
Oh.
See if I can get something going for you.
Oh yeah, go ahead. You gotta
Ryan behind the flame map.
literally you just need to give it gas. Like 2 miles an hour, then just throw it into neutral.
I'm just gonna sit here.
Oh, okay, that'll work. Yeah, good.
It's not as loud inside the car. That's good.
Yeah. Oh.
Drone
yeah.
isn't bad at all.
Yeah. Right.
Like, no drone at all.
Ah. Yeah.
That's awesome. I'm so happy.
You get to be loud on the outside and then nice and
yeah,
comfortable on the inside.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
That cool off?
Sorry, everybody.
All right. Now we woke everyone up.
Awesome.
Stimulus.
Yeah, once I get that stimulus check, I'm buying
Coilovers are sweet. I like. Which ones are you going with? All right, come on in the screen. Hey guys, so in last week's episode, Mills Garage Customs Fabricated Exhaust. We created what was it?
Fabricated.
I forgot already.
Fabricated a Mills Garage Customs single exit exhaust for Nick's Q50.
You gotta
Yes.
keep the bloopers in, man. That's the best part.
I know, right? I'm gonna have a million of them. All right.